Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up the Canon PIXMA TR7020a printer on your Windows, Mac, or Linux computer or laptop. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, doesn't matter which one, and into Google search, you want to look for Canon PIXMA TR7020a support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should come back from a Canon domain here. This is PIXMA TR7020a. Open that up. And now scroll down underneath downloads and expand software and drivers. And then going underneath software and driver results, select the TR7000 series driver setup package and the download button for that. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and open that up and it should be a verified publisher. Select yes to begin the installation. And select start setup, select next, and then just give us a moment to begin. And then you have to agree to the license terms and the conditions there. And then select either a Wi-Fi or USB-based connection. Then you would select next. And then you just again follow along with the on-screen prompts there about setting that up. And then, like I said, just follow along with the steps in the process and you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.